Hello, this is our second experiment about chemical aspect. It's chapter 2 in your books. Very simple experiment that we will study acids and alkali. As you all know from actually like middle school, acids are materials that contains properties in common. Bases also called alkali, other substances with a different properties. Now we all know that acids has a pH less than 7, alkali a pH more than 7, above 7, and 7 is the neutral where we find it in water. pH scale or pH papers, we use it to know whether this substance is alkali or acid. And we actually look at the table over here. We have if we're using the pH papers and we get a different coloration, we have an approximate number. Like let's say over here, if we have using a pH paper as an indicator, red it means pH 2, purple 4, violet 6, no coloration is 7, and then when it's starting from blue till green 8, 10, 12. This is approximate. If we don't have the machines that actually measures the scale of pH. And this is the coloration over here. But I have a very simpler indicator. You know what is it? Other than the pH paper, if we don't have a pH paper, it's about this experiment, which I want you, or actually I will urge you to do it back at home. I will perform it, but I need you to do it back at home. It is about using red cabbage. You know what is red cabbage, right? We use it in salads. Now, the red cabbage, we use it because it contains a very unique substance or a molecule. It's called anthocyanin. That anthocyanin, it reacts with acids and it gives it a very bright red or pink coloration, and it reacts with alkali and it gives it a blue or green coloration, which means if I get a blue, it means 8. If I get green, it means 10, and light green is 12, pink, red, purple acids. Very, very, very amazing experiment, which you can do it back at home. Yes, I will perform it, but you can do it using your own samples. Please try to use your own samples. Now over here I have written vinegar, Clorox, baking soda and water. Well, I will do vinegar, I will do baking soda, and I will do water. Back at home, try many other things to add red cabbage extract to, and tell me what color did you get and what is the pH approximate number for it. So please do it and include it in your lab report, because you will end up writing a lab report. Your purpose is experiment samples for the percents or for acidity and alkali by using red cabbage extract. Of course, in the lab we use the pH paper, which I will show it to you in a minute. So your purpose is to write a lab report about acidity and alkali in substances using a red cabbage extract. Try to use many samples, include water of course. Now, as for the measurements over here, when I say quarter cup, you don't have to go for it, but at least use similar amount. Like if you use quarter cup of vinegar, add quarter cup of the chopped or extract red cabbage. We have to have an equal measurement to have an accurate and precise result. Probably you will add less extract to a cup of vinegar and you will find nothing. I need to have an exact measurement. Quarter cup extract, quarter cup vinegar, quarter cup extract, quarter cup baking soda, quarter cup extract, quarter cup water, etc. Now, why do I have to take care of the measurement or the equal amount? For precision, for accuracy. Okay, so we will do now the experiment. This is the baking soda I'm using in the experiment. I just purchased it from the cooperative. We use it in baking. It has another name, soda bicarbonate. So baking soda, it's the same. So to perform the experiment, I have my pH paper. I will just simply add the paper to baking soda, water, and vinegar. Now, according to the color I will get over here, okay, it indicates the pH number. And also I have prepared over here red cabbage extract. Once I boil it, I chopped it, I boiled it for half an hour, and I took the extract. Look, it looks purplish in color. Okay, but when I add it to acid or alkali, due to the anthocyanin in there, will change or indicate acidity or alkali of the substance by changing the color. Okay. So first of all, I will use the papers, and it also indicates that whatever color you get, the number of the pH over here. This is for the acids, and this is for alkali. So I'll take 3 papers for my 3 samples, but you get to do your own samples back at home and indicate them in your lab report, please. First, I'll do water. Do you see? Nothing. This is with water, no change. I will show you now the vinegar. According to the pH numbers, it's number 1. And this is the baking soda. And according to the alkali, it goes, I guess, 8. Look at it over here. Now I will take a picture for them. Okay. Now, when I add I will just pretend that you're doing the experiment at home, and you will just pour a cup, okay? I will pour red cabbage to the water. No change. Why no change? Because it only takes the color of the red cabbage, so no any new coloration. Look at the vinegar, bright red color, which means it has a pH of 2, number 2. Go back to the table in your soft copy. And this is baking soda. It's green, which means pH 8 according to the table. So enjoy your red cabbage extract. Do the experiment at home. Write the lab report. Try to use many different substances found, like the cleaning items that you have, Clorox, liquid soap, vinegar, lemon juice, anything. Try to be creative, okay? Your purpose is testing samples for acidity and alkali by using red cabbage extract. Why red cabbage extract? Due to the presence of anthocyanin. Thank you.